Hi, I'm Marianne Binetti, and welcome to my blue and yellow garden. In an earlier video that we made, I told you the names of a lot of the yellow plants that are making the blue and yellow color here in this garden. Today I'm going to highlight some of the blue plants, so come on in past the blue gate. And first of all, I confess to cheating a lot. I use blue spray paint on the gates. I spray painted even my flowering alliums blue. I have some blue glass flowers in amongst the golden foliage of this Japanese forest grass. But some of the perennials that have a really deep purple or blue color are the Roxanne hardy geranium. That's a low grower, and that I use underneath shrubs. Then for some height, there is the deep blue. There's many clematis that have this deep purple or bluish color. The Polish spirit, and also the Delphiniums. The Delphiniums come in a deep blue and lavender color as well. There's also a spiky Veronica plant and the really fun globular blue balloon flower. So it's kind of fun to have a color theme in a section of your garden. It helps you focus when you go to a nursery and you're overwhelmed. You can say, I'm only going to look for pink and purple flowers or blue flowers. And then just like painting, you're kind of composing different garden scenes, layering on the different colored flowers. So hope it gives you some ideas for your own garden. This has been Marianne Binetti with easy answers for great gardens.
If you enjoyed these gardening tips, subscribe to our channel so you can get updates on new videos and stay in the know about all things gardening. Click the red subscribe button below. See the description below for more information about how to connect with us on PlantersPlace.com, Facebook, and Instagram.